This video is brought to you by volunteeraudio.com, your #1 source for all things Harley Davidson audio. From individual radios, speakers, and amps to complete plug-and-play amp and speaker systems, we've got you covered. And once you've ordered your package from Volunteer Audio, it includes lifetime tech support. And we have the very best step-by-step installation video so you can install it yourself and save money. Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and in this video, we're going to show you the next step. Hopefully already we've showed you how to remove your outer fairing. We've showed you how to upgrade your front speakers, how to take the radio in and out, how to take the gas tank off, the seat off, how to put your amplifier in place. It's to the point now we're reassembling and we're putting our gas tank back on in this video along with our seat. So follow along. The tools we're going to need are a 13mm socket and ratchet, along with a #2 Phillips to put our seat bolts back in. All right, so let's get the video started. All right, so we previously showed you how to route your amp wiring and we put the backbone cover back on. We just set our gas tank back on over top and we're going to line up our front two 13mm bolts. Now, this bike did not have ABS. If you have ABS, be mindful of the ABS brake lines and make sure they're still on their bracket on the other side so that you do not pinch those or hurt anything to do with those brake lines. We're going to put each one of these bolts in, starting them by hand, then tightening them up with our ratchet. We always start at the front because the back of the tank is actually slotted. So if you start those bolts first, the front ones probably won't line up. So as you see here, those slotted bolts, we're putting our two rear gas tank bolts in, also 13mm. Also use a 1/2" wrench. All right, so we're going to route our gas tank vent back down through the frame hole here, and it's going to come out next to the engine. We're definitely going to run it with the original hoses here back through the original zip tie. If you had to cut that zip tie, definitely put a new one in place. And we're going to make sure that it does not touch the exhaust and goes back where it was originally, close to the engine there. All right, we're going to plug back in our fuel sending unit for our gas tank. And we're also going to connect the vent back up on that one side as well, just a little rubber elbow here. All right, so after you've got your front bolts in, make sure to put those rubber caps at factory back on the front of the gas tank bolts on each side. Now we need to connect our, well, we're going to put our seat back on. Slide our seat back, get it underneath the little bracket, slide it to the front. We're going to take a #2 Phillips driver, put our bolt in at the rear of the seat. This seat also has a leather strap that goes over for the passenger to hold on to. So we're going to make sure and reattach that as well. Also using a #2 Phillips driver. All right, now we're going to connect our fuel line. Simply lift up on that silver sleeve, push the line up, let it go down, and it's going to lock. That's going to connect to your fuel at the same time. We don't have to worry about any leaks. Makes it very simple for removal and installation. Continue to watch. We're fixing to put our fairing back on, and we're going to continue on showing how to do the rear speakers if you've got a system that has rear speakers as well. Please watch the rest of our step-by-step videos, and I hope this has really helped you to tackle a much larger install than maybe you'd normally take on, or to make it much easier if this is something right up your alley. Definitely like this video so that people on YouTube will see it higher in the search results, more people will watch it, we can reach more people, and more people can get help with their install as well. Subscribe to the channel to see other step-by-step videos, to see our installs, our walkaways, and new products as we go over those and share them with you through our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely reach out to us if you have any questions. You can call us about your audio needs at 1-844-30-AUDIO, or view all of our awesome DIY plug-and-play kits at volunteeraudio.com. Thank you so much, and as always, God bless.